I'm Jane from Poppy Patchwork and welcome to my quilt block series. In each of these videos I'm going to show you how to make a different block, and they're all going to measure 12 inches. I hope you like this video. If you do, click the like button, and please let me know in the comment section below what other videos you'd like me to make. Let's get quilting. Today I'm going to show you how to make a 12-inch Dresden plate block. You will need one 15-inch square in your background fabric and 20 assorted fabrics that measure 2.5 by 4.5 inches for the blades and one 4.5-inch square for the circle. You will also need some iron-on interfacing, medium or lightweight, and some stitch and tear. And you will need any Dresden ruler. I use the Creative Grids one because it includes a circle for the centre, but you can use any Dresden ruler. Making the plate. Cut out 20 blades measuring 4 inches using the Dresden ruler. Fold the blade in half, right sides together, along the long top edge. And repeat with all 20 blades. Sew a 1/4 inch seam as shown. Trim into the fold as shown, but be careful, don't cut your stitching. Turn to the right side, pushing out the point, and make sure the point is in the centre of the blade. Lay out all your blades. Sew together in pairs along the long edge. Match the folds on your points as shown and sew from the point down in the direction as shown. Press the seams to one side and continue to join in pairs. Continue sewing and pressing until the plate is complete. Making the centre circle. Use a circle to cover the centre hole. Using the iron-on interfacing, draw round the shape. And then cut out roughly around the circle. Place the interfacing on the right side of your fabric, and the interfacing needs to be glue side down. Sew carefully on top of the line. Then trim carefully round the shape about a 1/4 inch away from the seam. And cut a slit in the interfacing so that you can turn the shape through. Push the seams through to make a nice circular shape. Place on a Teflon pressing sheet or a baking sheet and press the circle. Appliquéing the Dresden plate. Cut out a 15-inch square in background fabric and mark the centres on all the edges. Place the plate in the centre of the fabric square and then pin it in place. Then pin the circle in place. Cut out a piece of stitch and tear about 12 inches square. It should be larger than the Dresden plate. Then pin the stitch and tear on the wrong side of the block. I chose blanket stitch on my sewing machine, sometimes called an appliqué stitch, to secure the plate to the background fabric. Once sewn in place, remove the stitch and tear. Cut your block down to 12.5 inches square. Congratulations! You've made the Dresden plate block. I hope you liked this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. More of these videos will be posted, so please tune in. Thank you for watching and bye for now.